All right. Yes, my mic is working. Amazing, amazing. How are you guys doing? Welcome to this another Market Open stream. It's July 24th. We're approaching already the end of the month. This month went crazy fast. And like you might already see on my trading view screen here that DXY gave a reaction to the weekly and daily SIBI. Holy shit. So yeah, amazing. Like update on yesterday's trade. Yesterday evening or yesterday end of New York session, I closed my euro shorts because I didn't like how we failed to expand. And in hindsight, it was a good choice. And now I'm eyeing for GU. I already see Cyrus GU market maker buy model. Yes. Let's see how many for value caps we can create. It could be that we're just going to push. We have news in 45 minutes. The first USD red folder from this weekend. Also, we have cat rates coming up. That's very nice for the cat crosses as well. For tomorrow and Friday as well to trade. But yeah, aside from that, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Let me know in the chat. And also let me know which pairs you would like to discuss. I already took a look at NQ. We have an S&T at the lows right here. So the last week's low, S&T currently. So let's see what we do around that. We had that huge gap between yesterday and today. So rebalancing is on the cards. Could be today, could be tomorrow. So I'm just going to wait and see, wait how the session performs. I got a new challenge as well. Where is it? I think it's in the other one. Yeah, it's here. I started with My Funded Futures. It's one of the biggest futures prop firms for NQ. First time I'm trying them out. I got the biggest one. I think it was 150. Is that the biggest? I don't know. Let me check. I think it is. Nice, Brian. Where's your TP on GU? Amazing that you're in. Amazing that you're in. That's very nice. Like my target for GU is really simple. It's the daily SIBI here. When price reacts, let's go to the weekly. Like this looks to me like an internal to external, so we can even go higher towards this swing high when DXY plays along. Look at this. DXY weekly internal. Let's remove the daily. Only look at the weekly. Weekly internal to external. Then these lows are on the cards. That's all premature. But know that I'm looking at that to happen. So that means like entering on the 1 hour is kind of a swing position. I can even take the trade like all the way up there. But of course, it's 200 points. That's a few weeks of waiting. It's more position. So low hanging fruit first. Daily SIBI. And let's see if we can get the entry today. Perhaps we create another value gap. It's kind of a deep retracement. It's like 13 points already. I think this is going to confirm that we're going higher for NASDAQ. I think we could do a market maker buy model with the SMT. We already have SMT to lows. So yeah, exciting stream. Very excited stream. So no plan C. Welcome Boas, Archie, Isioma, Yori. Brian is already here. Amazing guys, amazing. KCL XWZ. Nice man, nice. Oh, nice, nice. I was in a 1 to 5 RR. That's amazing. Yeah, there's a reason I closed my. I was in Euro shorts from here. I closed it right here at the end of the session. And this looks to me, even on Euro, the weakest of the two, a nice market maker buy model towards here. And it resonates as well with a weekly of a daily internal to external. So Euro USD is also on my watch list. So if I cannot, like I'm aware Euro is weaker, so delivery is going to be less clean. But this is a nice Smart money reversal, market structure shift. So I'm interested. I'm interesting for later session or otherwise tomorrow. Where GU is stronger, and you see that as well in how price performs. Daily Sibi, low hang fruit. That's almost a 1 to 3. That's pretty decent for a session of trading. 41 points. We can get there with news perhaps. Hey, she says welcome. Kirian, Daniel, welcome back. Sylvia, amazing. Yeah, I think you can with this movement of DXY. This is a nice displacement lower from a higher time frame array. So that means all the time frames are back at bearish DXY. So that means you can long every USD pair, and that of course is the trick to long the strongest cross. So if you're choosing, for example, between AUD and NCD, I think AUD is still the strongest, but both AUD and NCD are quite weak. Compared to each other, AUD is strong, but look at, let me go full screen here. Let me show you how USD performed, or AUD, USD, and CUSD. Both very weak compared to, for example, Euro and GU. Yeah, I like this a lot. How this even on the daily, how this daily candle is going to print. This is very nice for also tomorrow. Remember the daily buys videos, guys? When we take a low inside a higher time frame array and the body fails to displace lower, displace higher, the next candle will probably trade higher. So that means tomorrow is the buys also long. Or a little teaser for tomorrow. Let's see if we can get the nice retracement. Otherwise, 10 a.m. Let's see if there's another 1 hour value gap. And if it just pushes higher, then I congratulate everyone who got in. And like on the 5 minutes, it was so clean. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Aggressive sells, aggressive buys. Fair value gap 1, fair value gap 2. Even a little sweep here. 2 sweeps here. And then it went. It's so amazing. I love it. I love it. All the clear swings here. So it was a nice textbook long there. Tanya, welcome back. Judy, Faha, David. You guys don't need to apologize if you're late. Just tune in when you're ready. I'll be here. I'll be here. Just chilling. Let me see. Fahad, David, Brian. Gold is dangerous. I'll check gold in a second. I'm not comfortable selling Euro USD when price hits a daily. I wouldn't sell Euro US dollar right now. No. Look at how strong DXY is. That means, oh sorry, how weak DXY is. That means stronger Euro US dollar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. Indeed, David. Thanks for the reminder. It could be a break even on London session. You mean GU, Constantine? If it happens, yeah. Can happen, can happen. And you miss the move, next move you catch, and everything is good. Pierre, good morning. So, I'm actually very interested in longing and Q. Like we have equal, like low-hanging fruit. This 1 hour Sibi. And what we also have in that 1 hour Sibi with equal highs here. So I really like that. That's a low-hanging fruit target for this session. Of course, we can extend towards the gap here. But low-hanging fruit first. Let's see how this candle performs with news. I think news can push price higher. So I'm not going to execute right now. I'm just going to wait. We have failure swings right here. So not very nice structure. This is not a nice low. Oh yeah, yes, on GU constant. Yeah, but that's fine. Like the cool part is about that. Like I missed it too. I missed it too. I was creating videos. I was like, oh no, you're serious. You're serious. So you just take this 5-minute chart and make a screenshot for your notepad or for your journal. This is what you want to see, exactly this. And then you know, okay, aggressive sells, aggressive buys. Here's the confirmation at 520. There's a second opportunity here together with the breaker. Now 1 hour value gap before expanding higher again. This is just for a journal. Low hanging fruit is this buy side liquidity pool with all the equal highs there. Would be so nice to get an entry, but I'm not going to I'm not going to chase. I'm just going to wait. Let's discuss gold. So as discussed earlier about gold during the streams from yesterday and Monday, daily SIBI was the target, and we hit it in the Asian session. This is so nice. Like when you see this, you have a clear target towards daily SIBI, and you see this happening. Equal highs, and then retracement. This during New York, I mentioned this. This is a very nice long opportunity towards the daily SIBI. So I mentioned in hindsight, everything's pretty. But I mean when you see this. We reacted from a daily order block and for value gap. We displaced away, leaving equal highs, and then we're coming back into this for value gap. This is the second for value gap with the breaker and order block. High probability long. On the hourly, you can just go to the 5 minutes and spot a better entry. And right now for gold, yeah, I don't know. Let's see what we do in this inside the daily CB. This was my target for the week, so I wanted from here to here, and now I'm flat. I'm waiting. So let's see how we close inside this daily CB. If we close lower, then we go low hanging fruit 2284, and then of course we're going to hunt all the lows here. If we don't go lower and we closing higher in the value gap, then you can just target is all-time high, yeah, all-time high again. And for now, you have an uptrend. The last down close candle right here, this order block, got respected big time. So longs could be definitely on the cards. But you don't know. It's just waiting right now. Just wait for some displacement. Kiko, welcome. It's okay that you're late. Diogen, welcome. Cat USD. I think USD Cat. Like very tricky. We have in 30 minutes, we have news on both. Like we have rates on Cat and USD Red Folder at 9:45. So let's see what we can predict. So we took out this, what is it? I think June high, yeah. Yeah, I'm honestly neutral. It would be very nice if the news can push it downwards and then just do it a wick and then the body's closing higher. Then you know that you finally have to rebalance. I think we're rebalanced to around a 137, like this order block, down close candles. If it closes lower than that, I'm going to target these lows. But it needs to happen more like on the daily. We're consolidating. We have swing highs here. We have filler swings right here. Now we're just chilling. So I want to see rebalance displacement before I'm anticipating. And this is a perfect opportunity. We have red folders on both sides. Rates, of course, one of the three big boys. Interest rates. So yeah, we're going to watch USD Cat after the news in 30 minutes. CM, I will go over NQ in a second again. Currently, we had a SMT at the lows on NQ. I can do a NQ right now. SMT at the lows. And with the lows, I mean last week's lows, like I mentioned in the Outlook. I posted in the Skool group this morning. So ES did not take out the low. NQ did. We have filler swings here. Low-hanging fruit is this 1 hour SIBI with equal highs resting right here. So that's going to be my target for the session. If we reach that without a clear entry, then I'm going on for shorts. Like shorts are so on, but look what we left behind right now. A gap, or on the daily it's a volume imbalance. On the lower time frame it's a gap. And we have still that SIBI. SIBI doesn't need to be rebalanced anymore for me because we have an SMT there. We have an SMT at the daily SIBI. So this does not need to be rebalanced. Remember that. But we have so much to rebalance here. So at this high, this is the SMT. So I think this can be protected. Intermediate term high with an SMT, protected high. With that, like some of you were asking about OTE, or let's do premium discounters first. Inside premium and OTE area, we have that gap. It could be worth something. So my my buys in Q every day, it's very stupid. It's still it's higher every day, and then it pushes higher a few points before dropping down again. But I'm going to anticipate the higher prices before going lower again. These filler swings are very nice. Look at this, what we left behind. All filler swings here. Euro cat, same for every cat pair, guys. Wait for the interest rates. Based on what I'm seeing right now, we're going to push higher into the high. Could also be that rates going to be the retracement before going higher. I would favor that, to be honest, for rates to be a manipulation move to go higher. GCAT, same. I covered this during the weekly outlook. All the highs are very in reach, so we could get an external to internal move. Oh, nice. We find a recent area there. It was the target for GBP GSF, the weekly BSC. Euro GHF. We have 2 weekly BSCs here. I would say based on the current order flow, it's just very bearish. But we are in between bullish and bearish arrays, this kind of premium arrays. That's why I'm not engaging in any of the prices. Like we have massive displacement. This is very nice, actually. But again, if on the higher time frame, we have bullish order flow, bearish order flow, we have premium arrays, discount arrays. When it happens, then I'm flat. I'm just waiting. I love to see this movement. It's crazy. Look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 like massive green candles, and now we have 2 massive black candles. That's pretty nice. Flat for now. Flat for now. I always respect a live trader. Hey Oko, thanks. I think that's the most dangerous thing to do, and not of course dangerous, but live trading in front of people. I don't see many traders do that. I think it's very important to show like not only the perfect markups and like videos, but also like how it's actually in real time. Like some trades are just very ugly, execution you're way off, but profit is profit. And I'm doing this since a few months. I think in March or April I started with this. And yeah, showing up consistently, I think that's very important, not only for me, but for everyone right here. Just show up every day at the market, and I hope to provide a platform. Gonna be amazing. Guys, every cat pair, I'm gonna say to you, Wait, 24 minutes. Then we have rates. Did I long EU? No, I didn't. I should. I should have. I should have. Good morning. Want to move already? Just waiting for the news. Yeah, let me wait for news. Did I already pick a new name for? No, it was not a new name for the Skool model, but like I was like, I see everyone creating those fancy new names on concepts. I was like, I need to do this as well. So I was like, okay, that's smart money reversal in a market maker model, aggressive sales, aggressive buys, or vice versa. I should come up with a cool name. Like, for example, the recent one was CRT, Candle Range Theory. There's just so many IST concepts combined, and they just repackage it in a cool marketing program, and they're banking on that. Like everyone's like, oh, CRT is the best, and they made so much money just repackaging. And I was like, whoa, that's insane. So I was like, okay, smart money reversal. Let's create a cool name and see if that same um, oil. I don't know what the English word is for this, but like the that's going viral and people are like, oh shit, that's insane, and it's just completely the same as smart money reversal. I want to do is like a little social experiment to check if people are really that stupid. Thanks, Oko. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. A V-shape reversal, CRT. CRT is already taken. Oh yeah, next to the name, it also has to need a nice abbreviation, like 3 letters. Yeah, smart home reversal is also taken. So let me see. I haven't checked the responses in a while. V-shape reversal, tipping point. Destroy the retails. Oh, I love this, guys. I love this. I love this. Model head and shoulders. Yeah, it is head and shoulders, definitely. Rate and recover. I like that. I like that view again. Nice. Sudden surge shift. It's a nice alliteration, but I'm not sure if I like it. It's nice to say it. Rapid market flip. I love that. Yeah, Persian revert. That's also a good one that's already taken. Like one of my mentors taught me Persian revert as a turtle soup. Uh, I'll come back to this later. Okay, so let's go over the game plan for today. I am hoping to see an entry here on GU in the coming 30 minutes. For NQ, I'm anticipating higher prices, but I don't like this low yet. So I hope to get one more sweep. For the actual move, would be nice if ES cannot take this low, because then the S&T is not intact anymore. We are hyper bearish, so if you just go lower, fine as well. Then I'm not in the trade. Gold, I'm neutral on. Yes, it's mainly GU and NQ for me today right now. Pretty simple. Frequency, frequent fraud. I don't like that. I don't like that. Look at that. Look at that. Little for value gap, boom, lower. But this is nice because these lows were not very nice. These are not as well. Aggressive sells, aggressive buys are what you need. This is not too. This is aggressive sells and then staircase up. I don't like that. That's why I mentioned earlier, I don't want to take an entry here already. But I got a new challenge to deploy, guys. So I'm going to look up the rules for my funded futures about like the drawdown. Maybe I can do a one shot, one kill again. My funded futures. The premier futures prop firm. Cool, cool. 90% profit split, 100% for your first 10k. That's actually pretty nice. If my funded future is good, guys, I'm going to check if I can get a discount for you guys. I'm going to. It's the first time I'm using them. I got a 150k account. Okay, drawdown is okay. The profit target for me is 9k. I need a 1 to 3. So I'm going to risk 3,000 on my trade to get 9,000, and then I pass the challenge. Okay, that should be doable. So again, 3,000 risk, then 9,000 reward. That's on the cards, and then it's 150k in funding. So that's nice. It is trading drawdown, but not like Apex when it's just live. It is end of day trading drawdown. And what that means, and it means I'm checking out what we're doing here. So I like this. But the end of the day trading drawdown is that, for example, you make profit and you close the trade. Then end of the day, like the next day, they're going to look, okay, what was your balance yesterday? What's your balance today? If it's in profit, then only your trailing drawdown goes up. Not like, for example, Apex, when in the same trade you can get violated just by reaching almost your TP and then come back to break even. So I like that kind of drawdown more. And I'm going to see like what I always test with new pro firms is the rules, their customer support, the speed of getting a challenge, and also when I pass it, how fast I get my account. When I get a payout, how fast the withdrawal is. Like all factors should play a role, and I'm just going to test my funded futures. I'm going to do top step as well. Look at the volatility, guys. It's 2 minutes before the open. You see that's coming, right? Okay, this is nice. What is it, like 29.15? Let me put DXY and GU here. And this is also very nice for DXY, because if we displacing lower, we need some rebalancing, and rebalancing right here around this order block, around 36, 104.36 is very nice. That resonates perfectly with our trade. And then NQ. I hope we can close out this 1 hour potential SIBI in the coming 30 minutes with news. That would be very nice. Oko says, I've traded indices a handful of times. Do I find them trade differently? They trade differently. I think indices trade, like they book cleaner, less manipulation. So I'm scalping NQ as well, like on a 1 minute. I don't scalp Forex, to be honest, because they're wicked more. So you get stopped out more with on lower time frames. I try to day trade and swing trade on some position trade on Forex. But I definitely think it's worth it. There is a beginner bootcamp video coming up, I think today. Yeah, today. About trading indices. What indices are and how to trade them. And I will, yeah, just start with it. Just dip your toes with a nice little account. And okay, rebalancing this for value gap. Okay, we are open. Let's see.
So
I was opening up my YouTube. Have you guys seen the JPY pairs this week? Absolutely insane. Look at this. I was not in this move, but it's absolutely insane. All right, I think I'm just going to take a nice little position to start with towards the... If I need a 1 to 3... No, not yet. I don't like the lows. I don't like that. I'm going to wait for these lows to be tagged. And if we don't do that and create a second for value gap, then I will be at the second for value gap. This first for value gap. Let me see for the contracts. One to 3. Yeah, I need to go to the minis for this. That's better. Okay, let's see if we can create the SMT at the lows here. Okay, and Q tagged. If this is perfect. If yes does not follow right now, then I'm definitely in. This is perfect. This is perfect. Yeah. Let's see if we close above. And this would be a potential trade. I want to see, do we displace higher? Because without it, ES can just follow. And then, of course, you don't have a trade because we're just going lower. Like this, yeah. So no SMT. Then I'm going to wait. It was just a rebalancing towards the 50-minute CB here. Yeah, NQ has lots of liquidity. You said 400. Let me see. Oh yeah, there's more. Like we we went up so much, so we have lots to rebalance. So perhaps I should just stop trying to long everything and joining team short. But I have trouble shorting when we're already such in deep discount. The 50 minutes looks pretty nice right now. This rebalancing. This could be the move. I'm waiting on a 1 hour. I'm okay to miss it because otherwise, like if I would took it now, would then be below this. This is not even a 1 to 2, so it's too high up onto the range. So it's or this, or I'm just fading it. Yeah, so now it's chilling. Like we have massive move at the open. We still have news, and the thing is, if news pushes NQ and ES even more lower, then I'm not going to trade today. This session. Then I just missed that insane move. Yom Chino, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I must say I'm kind of eager to test out my new challenge, but the conditions should be good for this. So let's see what liquidity pools we have on a higher time frame. Let's start them. Is the monthly? Yeah, that's gonna be very nice. I'm very curious. Like in 7 days, the monthly candle close, and let's see if we can create a monthly busy. If not, we're probably gonna trade lower. We're already creating a weekly CB. We are now between, of course not now, but next week we are between a weekly CB and weekly busy. On a daily. Like there's so many value. We caught all this, so it has so many fair value behind that I'm not even sure where we're going to stop. Like, of course, you can do your manipulation fib from this leg up, then you would end like around the 420s. Yes, it's the meme, around 420. But other than that, and then the question is, would you actually want to long a move that just went down 300 or 400 points in one day? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait then. And very nice for the people who are in GU. Well done, well done. It's very nice how gold is respecting this for our order block. It was a US 100 CRT in a daily time frame. Okay, nice, nice. Did you take it, Sagar? I just got it. What's the outlook on crypto? We haven't discussed it. Let's do that. Let's do that. Well, we just had the Ethereum ETF. I'm in a little swing position, by the way. I'm going to hold this until all-time high. Oh, wait, I need to go higher, like this. I think we can get there. But of course, we could rebalance it. But we have this bullish breaker here. And when you're accumulating in this breaker, so I don't need price to come back to the daily BC. If we go lower, I have to take the L, and I'm fine. But I think this is a pretty nice place to take a position. Bitcoin leading away. Oh, this is so nice, guys. I don't use CRT myself. Of course, I've read about it and I've done my homework about it. But what I'm teaching you guys is make it as simple as possible. And CRT is not in my keep it simple playbook. It's just adding another layer towards my training plan, which is already proven and profitable. So I don't need that. I have my models. I'm good. I don't need new information. But if it resonates with you and you think it's the holy grail and it's exactly what you need to become profitable, of course, use it and don't stop using it. Like I will never say something is right or wrong. It's the most important thing if you can execute it consistently. So Abiltus, I think we can go higher for crypto. Little biased, of course, because I'm in a position myself. No, but my position is very clear. Higher crypto. I think we can have a massive bull run, but that's something for something else. And let me see how many people are here right now. 57 people here. All right, nice. Okay, I can like in 7 days. There's a huge announcement, and you guys know already what the announcement is going to be. I guess. It has to do with something mentorship wise. And what I'm going to do, I'm not sure if I can. Yeah, I'm going to tell. One little part of the mentorship and joining is going to be that I'm going to start all over. That means I'm going to hypothetically do as if I have zero funding, and I'm going to get funded. And if you are level, I think 3 or 4 in the Skool group, you have read already the PDF or the course about getting funded under 90 days. That's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to start at 0. I want to buy the challenges. I'm going to say exactly which challenges that are. I'm going to update you guys on every challenge. I'm going to share every single trade, also in hindsight, but also before. Like I'm going to take this trade on this account. I'm going to give you the systems because I think one of the first goals of a new trader or like development trader and even like an experienced trader is getting some extra funding for extra leverage and getting payouts to reinvest. So that's a little part of what's going to be offered in mentorship. So you guys can just like I never say copy, and there's no signals. And if I see people doing signals, and I lose as well, guys. So don't get me wrong. You see me trading gold, and no, I lose, but I'm profitable, and I'm going to start at 0, and you can just follow along and get funded as well, based on everything you are learning together with me in the mentorship. So there's a little teaser. It's a small part of what's going to be we're going to do. But we need time to kill before 9:45. I think what's nice to put on the screen is Nasdaq, but I think also USD CAD is nice to put on the screen. So let's do 1 hour, because USD and CAD have that massive red folder coming up in 40 seconds. So let's see. So if you like that of the mentorship, like the waiting list is closed, so you're out of luck. But for Thor in, very excited. More details around August 1st. A little earlier, a few days before, I'm going to do some extra details and I'm going to share some very cool stuff. And let me know your thoughts about that. If that would help you scale and like I think the most important thing is getting some payouts. Actually, you can say to yourself, "Hey, I make actually money from trading," and just reinvesting those payouts in more in your personal account, in new challenges, and just scale. Let me know in the chat what you think about that. Or like the live stream if you if you like it. I don't care. Okay. Well, was this it? This is not very exciting. But just like FOMC, like the press conference is the most important, I think. Let me see on Forex Factory. Or maybe it's just no rates, no change. Okay, rate cut for Canadian dollar. So we should go higher then on the cat crosses. Well, it was kind of boring. US red folders are mixed. Yeah, so nothing special. I think the cat damage is going to be later. Okay, so back to ES. Okay, we took that nice liquidity pool right here. Small 1 hour value gap. Would be nice to get an entry. Otherwise, I'll hunt an entry tomorrow. I think gold is primed to go higher from this point. I like how we just rejected this down close candles order block. AD says 90k before the year end. Oh yeah, I think that's possible. That's definitely possible. I think bull run is going to end like between 100 to 200k for Bitcoin. There's of course a big range, but percentage wise, it isn't. But yeah, I think now it's just little signs before the storm, and that's also good for like trading crypto, day trading crypto. And I mentioned it earlier already. I'm going to make a small masterclass in the new mentorship as well, how to play the crypto bull run. I've been in crypto for so many years. I've seen the bears and the bulls since 2017. So I can help you that. Like I'm not going to be that guy that says like buy a Pepe, and I'm not going to provide signals, but I know exactly how you can play it. And having actual teams do the research for you. So if you search, like if you don't have time for crypto and look at other stuff, I will guide you in how to find people and teams who do that for you. So you can just trust on their professional capacity to make some money in crypto. But that's just a little side thing from the mentorship. Well, if you're in crypto, can you look at Cardano? I'm lost in the chart. Um, like I don't think the concepts, like I think Matt knows it's better than me. I think it's ADA, Cardano. Bull run bear, bull bear. Yeah, higher, definitely higher. We are now respecting this breaker and this daily busy, this unicorn setup right here. I think higher for Cardano. All right, let's look at preparation for the 10 a.m. game. And I actually don't see much right now. So what we always do is predictive new 4 hour candle, right? During the 10 a.m. game. And sometimes it's very easy because then it's in a higher time frame array or takes liquidity. But right now we just had this massive displacement. So you have basically three scenarios. The first scenario is a nice black or green candle, doesn't matter, that creates a new fair value gap in 4 hours. The second option is 10 a.m. just continues and completely dies off towards the standard deviation target. And the third option is that we have a massive displacement higher, closing out the opportunity of a new 4 hour value gap being created. So three options. And based on the current price action, I'm not too sure. What I'm going to scalp and try to scalp is a potential retracement, another reversal, a retracement. So quick in and out. And why I think that? Because what I like about trading retracement is when I see this, there's no liquidity being taken out, nothing. So I'm going to hunt for longs. And maybe you say that's plain stupid, and I agree, because look at the bearish order flow. I think I can catch like 50 or 60 points from a nice retracement scalp. Yeah, we're creating a little side hustle in the mentorship, 80. No, I'm not going to be the guy that says buy this, buy that. Like in those private calls, we can talk about what I buy and stuff, but I'm not going to say, hey, this is the coin you should buy. This is the project. It's very nice. That's not me. I don't like to do that. I like to teach people to do their own thing. Like the analogy, like don't give them a fish, teach them how to fish. That is for crypto. That's for life in general. Which cat cross would you prefer now for long? Preferably the strongest, of course. So let's take a little peek. Yeah, that's nice. I think we can go higher for gold. Let's see in the crosses. So I think Euro and Cat are strong. Euro and GP, I mean, compared to the rest. Yeah, okay. So rate cut is higher prices. So GP Cat, Euro Cat as well. This could also be. It is a long shot because NCD. NCD is very weak as well. But look at how we reacting. How we're reacting from the weekly. This could be a nice one. Weekly internal, at least to this CB, but maybe we can even go to the highs. So what I'm going to do, NCD Cat, I'm going to see for tomorrow what we do here. And if we respect that, here comes the cool part. Respect it, displays higher, then you have another fair value gap, and also breaker order block. This is your highest probability entry then. And then stop below the low or below somewhere here. And then targeting. Let's refine this. 1-to-1 is not very, very nice. Hold on. So your stop loss will probably be lower below the swing low that's created here for 1-to-2 or 1-to-3. And I think if we are reacting from the weekly BC, then we can go to flat body highs here and even to this right here. This is long term, right? 300 points, long term. Low hanging fruit, 50 points towards there. But you can take it on a lower time frame when it arises tomorrow, if it arises. XRP to the moon. I have no comment on that. I have no comment on that. I have some friends who are like millions in XRP. Yeah. I think I shouldn't comment on any XRP stuff based on the XRP army just going to cancel me. Do I use any elite wave theory? No, but it has very much common things, overlapping things with the market maker model. So if you are familiar with elite wave, I think ICT concepts fit nice into that. Yes, taking liquidity. I think everything is taking liquidity. Oh, well, yeah, ES is way weaker than whoa. Like and Q was like, okay, I'm just going to chill here. Like see them as going both on the highway, and Q is just stopped by to get a beer at a gas station. Not a beer, is driving, but to get a nice snack. And ES is just boom. ES left the station already, the gas station. That's insane. That would mean ES will go for this low. Ooh. Like if we have the continuation today, which is fine, then tomorrow we can catch a low of the week, perhaps, or Friday with the TGIF. Yeah, I'm glad that I didn't buy stuff. Tesla down 12%. Oh, that could be the reason for the sell-off on the fundamental side. Nes bearish. Yeah, Nes is very bearish. Very bearish. Could you please look at the gap on Nes on a daily? You mean from today? Like this one? The volume imbalance? Let's draw liquidity for later when we're back at the buy side of the curve. Now it's just for me waiting. This could be a nice area to stop this down close candle. This resonates as well with the standard deviation target. And it's also OTE. Yeah. I think higher time for OTE and standard deviation can play a role today. In the meantime, we are chilling. We are chilling. So again, if this is placed higher from this 4-hour BC, this becomes a bullish breaker. Now it's an order block, but then it becomes a bullish breaker. What's my bias on DXY? Well, before today I was 50-50. I mentioned we are respecting the order block, down close candle is order block, to the upside. But the target was the weekly SIBI. And I just wanted to see how do we react from this weekly SIBI. We took out the equal highs here in 4-hour before that massive move. And I'm not just going to check tomorrow. Maybe I'm going to take a little entry today, but do we respect premium arrays? Because now you are at a part where this could be just one big liquidity sweep before a big green candle upwards again. I want to see premium arrays respected. There's no premium array being tested. We have an order block here, bearish order block. We have a breaker. We have two for value gaps. This on the 1 hour. 4-hour, we don't have any for value gaps yet. So I'm just going to wait for this one. Long-term buys. Short-term buys, I'm going to say market maker sell model towards the lows right here. And that means longs for GU. I think GBP is going for our entry. Could be. 10 a.m. Let's see. Well, let's play the 10 a.m. game with this massive movement. Let's go. Let's go. Are you guys ready? Gonna play a game. So how did you trade could be this, then our entry. Yes, we already have get rates, yeah. No, because he said, I never know if we can get a reversal straight away, or the best method to check higher time frame if you are in a reversal is check the daily candles. Like I taught you in the daily buys videos. So for example, here, we sweep the high, we fail to displace over that high, then you see displacement lower, creating a swing low. Then again, we sweep a daily high at the Monday here, July 15, but fail to displace over it, indicating lower prices. Here was when I was traveling, and I mentioned we're probably going lower for NQ as the highs, but you can rate that only by the bodies of the candle. So here as well for the coming 2 days. Let's see at the lows. Do we create that swing low somewhere? But it takes time, and you can play the same game, of course, the lower time frame as well. Yeah, it's pretty nice cat here. What do you think about the Euro NZD? Did it already slow down? Last time I checked, it was like crazy. Yeah. So the thing is, we have still some resting highs here. So you're not sure which high is going to get. And discount arrays, like we just had a little tap into this value gap before going higher again. So I want to see more structure on the highs to potentially trade lower. Or I want to see a more deeper retracement before trading higher. So until then, this feels like Shark Tank. Until then, I'm out. I'm just okay that I missed this move. So that's the reason it's also not on the watch list for this week. I'm just going to wait. There's going to be a time where the NTD pairs are so clean and just we can easily trade them. But for now, it's not for me. Like even on a weekly, look at this. No retracement. If you want to blindly trade, I would say take a long position in your your NTD. But until then, be cautious. All right, any other pairs you guys would like to see discussed? Let's see Bitcoin. Let's see. Yeah, gold is on a move. Yeah, nice. This says enough for like if we close at a higher end. Let's go to daily. If we close at the higher end of this value gap today, you can expect for Friday to be a value gap being created to go to the highs again. Keep it in mind. You want to see it closing high upon the value gap. And it resonates as well with lower DXY. Okay, so what I want to see for NQ, it's already 10 a.m. of course, but we have 2 hours, or like this power hour, of course. This is the 10 a.m. game. I want to see structure at the lows. I want to see an SMT. I want to see 2 for value gaps. Without that, I am not in. And that's to do with a lack of clear direction for the 4-hour candle. I mentioned before, the 3 scenarios I'm looking at. This is going to be a scalp based on price action. I'm not going to blindly short because we're into this kind of the range. So that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, NTK was very nice at 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, Apollo, nice. Nice that you recognize that. So wait for deeper discount level for retracement before looking for a setup. And that makes sense because otherwise your risk reward is messed up as well. Like the risk you need to cover for that. Like for example, on let's go back to the example of Euro NCD. It's all about risk to reward. Like you can say, for example, yes, you should have taken this trade, right? So then go to the 5 minute. Very nice step, right? Liquidity sweep, aggressive sell, aggressive buys. Look at the time. Asia. I'm not trading that. But that's the question, okay? You missed it, so you were here at London. London is here. Hypothetically, you would trade the first or value gap upwards. Stop loss were going again to the highs. Where would your stop loss be? Below this swing low, this swing low, this swing low. Look at the risk to reward. It's not worth it. You're too up into the range. You're welcome, no plan C. So yeah, I would like to give you guys a really clear, clean setup today on NQ. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't see much because we already had this massive move. Like, don't forget. Like, if you want to trade right now, between the open 9:30 and now, that's 40 minutes. We already dropped 150 points. 150 points. So patiently waiting, patiently waiting. It also means if we don't see a clear setup, then I'm just going to close the charts and enjoy the rest of my day. Well, the rest of my day, it's already, what is it? 9 in the evening here. Rest of my evening. ES is definitely the weaker one right now. I think ES is going for the 5500 today. To the July low. Look at the past 2 weeks, guys. Holy shit. The range. We dropped 200 points on Nasdaq or on the ES, and we dropped I think over 2,000 points. Yeah, we're approaching 2,000. Let's see, 21k, 1,500 points already in 2 weeks. Probably nothing. Okay, so let's see July. Okay, here comes the cool part. July low. Where's July low? Oh, it's yeah. Whoa. Yeah, ES playing catch up. So when we now take this low with speed, then you can potentially catch a nice little model to the upside. And also we have the first down close candles here on NQ coming up. They could also give a nice reaction. Okay, when I go to the higher time frame, I lose my my mascot. Hold on, there he is. Okay, there we go, there we go. We're back, we're back. Solana, like the thing about crypto 101, when Bitcoin goes up, the whole crypto market goes up. Yeah, so Solana as well. Weekly busy created, but we already reacted. Very nice from yeah. So that again, when Bitcoin goes higher, as it did for the last 2 weeks, you can expect the rest to follow. Every single one. Except for the crab project, of course. Solana blockchain works 9 to 5. You mean because of the outages? I think that's not anymore. Like during the last bull, like Solana was out so many times they couldn't handle the traffic. All right, so the trick here, guys, for example, on this move for DXY, this might feel to you that you completely missed the move, but a move doesn't go down like this in one go. It goes down from a race. Doesn't matter which one, but it will get that retracement. So we have tomorrow, we have Friday. So all the red folders are still coming up. So we are good. The first sign of life for NQ there. Yeah, AI is a very nice narrative. Gaming, very nice. AD, I could share tons of fundamentals on the Skool. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. We can actually talk about that sometime, AD. That's cool. A nice little market master crypto degenerate group. Any tips on how to get better at using weekly market profiles? I would start with just classic buy week, classic sell week, and see if you understand that. If you have mastered that, then add one at a time, and over time you will get used to it. No, I'm not interested in any NQ buys yet. No, no. Yeah, S is dumping like crazy. Yeah, yeah. Cool. So it could be that we're just chilling here and like big thumbs up for everyone right here. Like how many people are here? Like 55 people right now. 55 people showing up consistently daily, even though we potentially don't have an entry today. If you are short right now, well done. I congratulate you. But it's all about showing up. And the growth will come over time. So then now we don't have an entry. Maybe later this session. Otherwise tomorrow. Otherwise Friday. How do you catch short moves in discount? I wouldn't recommend that to begin with. And if you do it, I would say stop loss above equilibrium. And then check if your risk to reward is still good towards the lows. The thing about like shorting in discount and longing in premium is your risk to reward is just stupidly low. So most of the time it's not worth it. So if you do it, be okay with taking some losses or maybe one or two re-entries. Dion, can you reveal if the mentorship will be suitable for higher time frame entries, intraday swings? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. If you were to go short during the open, where would I have entered? Well, in hindsight, that's very easy to discuss. And if I saw an entry, I would have taken it, but it will be here. But again, I don't like to short when I have all these failure swings and a really nice 1 hour CB resting above that. So what usually happens in normal days is before a massive sell-off, they will go to this liquidity, create a market maker sell model, and then and then go to the liquidity pool down. And some weeks we have just a sell program, it just goes, and I'm not in. And we had the same on the other side of the curve in these weeks. where we didn't go down towards these obvious liquidity pools, but just went up and up and up and up and up and up. Buy programs. You see this as well. No stopping. NQ has made a massive run looking at this. Holy shit. There we go. Yeah, it's a crazy last few months on NQ. It's so nice. Yeah, no plan C. I think the majority of the people who are going to join the mentorship are not full-time traders, so they have responsibilities outside of trading. That means having a family, having a job, having college, having whatever you have. So yeah, the mentorship is definitely for those people because they're likely going to want to not per se escape it, but start with trading to get some nice extra cash into the door and maybe transition to full time. Of course, I don't know where everyone is, and of course, I don't know who's going to enter. But I'm guessing that the majority of that has that situation. I canceled GU order to find the best entry tomorrow during London session. Fine, Theo, that's nice. That's nice. I haven't seen the chat, Theo. Nice, nice. I love that you're sending stuff. Let me see on GU. Yeah, could be like this is perfect for tomorrow, London. London high of today. I agree. I agree. Like if we're later in the session, like it's now 10, 11, 12, like I'm of course not going to enter. And I'm going to wait as well. How many people will be chosen? That depends on how many people are going to like I'm I cannot share details about it yet. Like I really want to, but I'm working together with my team to like provide the most value to the most people. So it's not going to be too much. So I'm going to answer this question neutral. I love what you say in Villa about day trading, not everyday trading. Day trading is showing up every day, but not pressing the button every day. Definitely. And you can press it every day, but just be aware that your win rate will be lower than maybe you want. And if you're okay with that, press the button every day. Really chuffed. I won the Twitter, and I'm not sure what you're referring to, Oko. I did not give a I did not give a giveaway on Twitter. If you could share the tweet, perhaps that's a scammer, but I did not do any giveaway. Like I saw already some people like creating other accounts and words of short night already creating other accounts and groups in my name, and I was like, whoa, let's don't do that. That's not nice. Amr says, question about the Apex. You've made 256 and traded 10 days. You're oh nice, congrats. How much do you think one should withdraw? Definitely the max. So with 250k account on Apex, you can withdraw 3 times, 3,000. Then it's infinite. I would take out all the 3k, and then you have still 253,000 to play with. That's enough. That's enough for your cushion. And that 3k you can reinvest again in what is it like with the 80% discount 250. I don't know what the offer is right now, but at some occasions you can literally buy 100 new accounts with that, 100 new challenges, and just scale that. Try to get as much money out of the platforms as possible. You're welcome, Amri. Tomorrow I'm going to look at 5,500 for ES if we don't get it today. But I think based on the time, 10:30 right now, that during the stream I'm not going to take any setups. I'm going to leave the stream on for a few more minutes. So if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. But congrats, Amri, on I don't know if it was hypothetically or you did get that 256. That's amazing. So well done. The algorithm is designed to take your money first and to give it back later with small profits. Yeah. I think for 98% of traders, that's their algorithm. Definitely, they think they're trading like Ice T with the algorithms, but they're just programmed to lose. Let's see how my swing of Ethereum is going. Okay, just chilling. All right, the entry. All right, there goes gold. Nice. You're close to that. That's amazing, Omri. Well done. Keep them going, and just reinvest the payouts in like what I did with my first few payouts. I reinvested everything in mentors. So I just knocked on their door. Yo, I just got I think it was a 2 or 3k payout, or maybe more. Let's say around 3k. And I went to them, yo, I just got a 3k payout. I want you to help me get more payouts. Can you help me? And the rest is history. But don't get me wrong. I'm over 5 figures deep in mentors. That shouldn't Shouldn't say that you should do that at the start, but of course, the higher you go, the better your like. I think everything is on a level, and on every level, your mentor becomes more expensive, and at every level, the money you have is also another level. So it all comes together very nicely. I don't have traders living by. Like I had a mentor from the UK, from South Africa, from the US. I've had many mentors. Would also like to do that, but I need the money. That's fine. And just keep going. And when you have some cushion with your payouts, then do it. And there's lots of people are offering it. So just go on Twitter, see whose content you like. I think they're a good trader. Send them a DM. Yo, do you offer a mentorship? Many people offer mentorships, but they don't promote it. So maybe your favorite creator does have something to offer you. Of course, be ready to pay. Like nothing is free. You're buying someone's time to take a shortcut to their success, to your success. That's how I did it. Okay, final push to the lows. Let's do it. Let's do it. And that's why we have D on our side. Yeah, you've me on your side. Definitely, definitely. And I think as a beginner trader with the beginner bootcamp together with the 2024 mentorship, you can get a long way already. But I know for many people there's just that little extra touch to get that extra money. They need it. Like little more, how do you say it? Like holding hands. Not literally, of course. Figuratively. I think a mentor just holding your hand and say, yo, it's best to do this or it's not good to do this. And then you implement on your own. And then you check in with each other. Like, yo, I told you to do this. Did you do it? Yes or no? If you did not do it, you're stupid and go do it. If you did it, nice. And then what's the next level of this? And then you grow over time. All right, final push. There we go. All right, so I think in the coming few minutes, we could see the lows being taken here. So 5,500 for Yes. And for Nasdaq, I am seeing the order book coming up, I must say, for the 19,400. At that point, if you see a nice structure being formed at the 1 minute, I would definitely recommend taking a small position. No small stop losses, and be okay to lose because you were longing a hyper bearish trend. So that's what I have to say. I'm also going to monitor GU in the coming 2 hours to see if I can get a nice entry here. Gold, for the people who are trading gold, check how it closes today, and also keep in mind tomorrow. I like how we respect this down close candle to go up. So it could be that we're just going to ignore the daily, see and go upwards. So wait for that sign, I think tomorrow. Because if it doesn't close higher, it has an easy run towards the lows here, and also these lows to go to the monthly value gap. I'm waiting for the crypto bull run for my mentors. Nice, nice. That's cool. Like, no plans. What do you think? Maybe that's a okay. Let's do a final poll. We didn't do a poll because of the massive displacement. Everyone would just have been set lower. Let me see. Poll. Crypto. When is the bull run going to end? December 2024. March 2024. July 2024. Of 2025, I must say. We already made. And it's only for the people who are in crypto, of course. So for the people here who are dabbled into crypto, what do you think? Is GU still a valid trade? I would say it is. Yeah. In 2 hours, we make a new 4 hour value gap as well. I'm not sure I will be asleep when this happens. So otherwise, I'm just going to enter later tomorrow. When maybe we're already here, and then I know, okay, this is a rebalance, so this is a protected low. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. 450. And down, and down. So you can vote inside the chat. Let me see, let me see. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. The votes are very much divided, and I love that. I love that. My own thesis is that we like every single bull run we go to exactly the same. And what I noticed with the last run, was here, that we had an initial run upwards, and we have a really boring where everyone thinks we're going down, and then we have one more sweep liquidity before the real move. I think we can get the same like spring, fall 2025. But who knows? Who knows? Who am I? I'm just the guy taking a swing position in Ethereum. It goes very well. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And again, no right or wrong, just nice to a little speculation. We are trading Forex, we're trading indices, we're trading gold, metals. So not too much crypto, but sometimes a little dabble Doesn't hurt anybody. All right, guys. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions, let me know inside the Skool group. I love to see your analysis every day. Like so many great traders, so many great analysis. It's really a pleasure to reading all the messages in the morning when I wake up. And if any questions, let me know. You guys know where to find me. You guys know what I want to see on the indices. I'm not taking any setup right now. I'm going to check when we reach these lows here, the area right here, for respective indices, what we'll do there. Otherwise, just coming back tomorrow. Here for GU, going to wait until what DXY does. Quick tip here: when you, for example, see GU already being in a 1 hour busy, and DXY is just chilling here, you know DXY probably wants to go first here, and that will mean GU can go lower with the wick before going higher. I would just mirror this together and you should be fine. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Let me see if already bootcamp part 6 is live. So 20 minutes ago, I put out in the calendar, or in the classroom, I mean, 2024 mentorship together with the beginner bootcamp. Episode 6, trading indices, is now live. So check it out. I think it's a nice watch for you guys. Tomorrow we're going back 9 a.m. EST. We have some news coming up as well tomorrow. Let me check. Yeah, we have unemployment claims 8:30. So when we before stream, we have already news. So that's very nice for our 10 a.m. game. And I think we should catch a nice NQ trade tomorrow. I don't care if it's long or short. We're going to catch a nice move. So thank you guys for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. And happy trading. Stay safe. Don't blow your account when I'm away. And see you guys later. Bye bye.